you get this server error message in Sky Children of the Light game, then make sure to follow these instructions very carefully, and I'll guide you on what to do. Now that this error menu says server error, we are currently having server issues. Feel free to contact us for more information. Now, it's not about your device or internet. The issue is normally on the end. Their online services are experiencing a problem, and it occurs when Sky Children of the Light servers are down. If you go to the subreddit for Sky Game, which you can see lots of people are complaining regarding this issue. So it's not just you, lots of people are facing this problem as well. So you can see lots of people are complaining regarding the server issues. It occurs when the online services are experiencing a problem. It occurs when Sky Children of the Light servers are down. For this case, you'll need to wait until the servers are restored. In the meantime, some people have recommended that you can try to restart your device and router, then relaunch the game again, or you can try connecting to a different network, such as using your phone hotspot or a different Wi-Fi network. So this occurs when their servers are down. You'll need to wait until the servers are restored. You can join their Discord, which is called the Sky Children of the Light. If you come here to the general Sky discussion, you can see lots of people complaining regarding the server issues, which show that it's not just you. Lots of people are facing this problem at the moment. It occurs when their servers are down. I'll leave the link in the description for their Discord server if you want to join, so that you can just follow the discussions regarding the server issues if they have been restored. So don't get to worry, this occurs when their servers are down. It's not about the device or internet. It occurs when the online services are experiencing issues.